Hi guys, welcome. Just want to give you a quick example of a few things that you're going to be doing as a norm in your graphics of using AI with your logo and text and such with fonts and vectorizing. So first things first, your PDF file. In this case for the class, and let me move this over. Just going to move this out of the way for a second. All of your logo related uh, text is already vectorized. It has not been flattened in your PDF that's given to you. So you can just take these things and copy and use at your leisure for your project. Now, let me show you what's done when you are submitting things like this to myself or anyone else. Let's say you have a client, what have you. Anyway, let's move on to that particular example. So with this here, I've already typed in some text here just to give you an example, and then what I'm going to do is give you a text, type in some text here. Let's call it computer text as an example. I've already, and in this case, as you can see, I will select the text, select character. If you do not have the character selection here, you can always go to Window and then go to Type, Character. As you can see, it's already checked here. But once you select that, you will get your window here. And in this case, with my text selected, I can of course go in here and select different text. Now, with that said, let's say for example someone does not have your text, the text that you or the font that you want to send someone, a client. In this case, you'll want to vectorize it and have it ready for them to look at so that they don't have to download the font that you're sending them. So I'll use this OCRA standard as an example. And once I do that, now I can say now that I have this the the uh, text, and actually let me go back and correct my spelling because that's important as well, because and I did that as on purpose because once you have altered your text, it is hard to go back and correct it. So make sure your spelling is correct when you do so. So with that said, I've corrected said text, and now that I've done so, I will go to my selection tool, and as you can see, it's selected um, the entire selected. It's selected the text here as a group. So what you want to do is you want to right click and ungroup this. And I'm ungrouping this for a reason, just to give you another example. Uh, and that is to give you an option to allow you to change up your selection if you'd like, or your text as an example. So once you have created your outline, now you can right click and ungroup this. So now that you've ungrouped it, now you can select uh, each letter, and you can change it at will if you'd like. You can change the size. Let's say I want to make the computer larger, the C larger, or the T in this case, and I can do that. I can actually select it and of course change the color. Select that. Select my T. I'll change it. I'm just giving you some examples here. Oops. Change my computer. My C already. Let's go over to. Oh, sorry. Oops. Making the same mistake here. Let's go over and change that. And now that I have this all changed, now once I am ready to save or submit this or send this to someone, I'll do my save as, and once I select PDF, I can say save. I'll get a pop-up window. Now, in order to keep everything in place, you want to have Illustrator default selected here in your preset. Make sure you preserve your Illustrator editing capabilities so that you can edit that, or someone else can edit it. Create your Acrobat layers from top layers down when you have other layers here, and you can save the PDF. Now, you will get a large file when you start putting in photos and such. So another your option, if you just want to show your work to me without manipulation, I don't need to manipulate anything for you guys when it comes to some of the things that you'll submit. So to keep from having a large file submitted to Blackboard, you can always select smallest file size here. Now with that said, I'll just save my PDF, and now you just have your PDF saved with all of your options still in place in case you want to change something up. And that was it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If there's any other questions, feel free to email me or post your questions in the general discussions forum. Thanks for watching.